it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking to upgrade your mirror in your bathroom? One that helps you get ready really fast and see yourself because it has lighting? Well, then you might check this one out by Keonjinn. This is their gold LED mirror. They're 24 by 30 inch and it has two buttons. One button controls the lighting with three color temperatures and dimmable capabilities. It also has a memory function, so if you leave it at the brightest and you leave it at the highest temperature, then it will remember that next time you press the button. It also has a defogging button. As you can see here on the left, there's a square that's crystal clear so you can get ready even when the bathroom is heavily used and you're short on time. It has a front and back lit lighting, making it charming to look at. You can also see this frame, this beautiful details of everything being brushed aluminum alloy frame that's beveled edged and really high class. This is definitely a high functioning mirror that was made so pristinely well. It was so easy to hang with simple instructions and French cleats. This can be hung vertically or horizontally because of the way that it was designed and hangs on the inside. It came packaged perfectly and has a hard wire or a plug-in depending on your choice. And really everything about this has been perfect for our family.
We love it, but that's just our point of view.